Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to share your screen with video and audio. The updates that Google was working on through Google Meet have now come through. So we're going to show you how to do that really quickly. So just to give you a breakdown of what we've got right now, you're looking at my screen as the teacher. So I've got one student right over here, which is my son, and then me here as the teacher. I'll show you what this looks like on the student view. So the student view can see me here as the teacher, and then this is his screen here. And the reason I've done this is to just so you can identify the different screens. So the problem is Google was not allowing audio and video to go through when we were presenting on Meet. And so it was really difficult to show students videos or YouTube or different things with audio clips or different things like that. So they fixed that. So here's how we do it. You're going to come down here to the bottom right where it says Present Now. You're going to click on Present Now. What we used to see was your entire screen and a window. They've added this right now. The new one is a Chrome tab. So I can pick whatever tab that I have open and share that. So let's show you what that looks like. So I'm going to click on tab. It'll give me a list of tabs. I'm going to share this tab here. And this is just my YouTube page. I didn't want to show anybody else's YouTube videos here just for whatever reason, copyright or whatever. So once I start to go on this video, I share this. Hey everybody, welcome to You're going to get a little bit of an echo because it's playing back through my son's account. I'm going to pause this. Now I can also make this full screen. So you heard the audio, and I'll show you again what the audio sounds like. But when I go full screen, again, this is me presenting my full screen. So I can't see what my students are doing unless I have another window open. But if I go over to the student view, so if I slide over here, this is what my students will now see in their Google Meet. So if I go back over here, I'm going to hit play and hit the audio. You're going to get a little bit of an echo.
A ton of detail today. Step-by-step tutorial how to install, what extensions you need to add to make the experience better for you and your students, your teachers, other people in your building.
It's a huge fix for Google Meet meetings. Again, so I'm going to jump back over here in the meeting. The other three extensions that I recommend that you have are up here on the left. This is Google Nod or Nod for Google Meet, which allows kids to basically raise their hands, ask questions, give a thumbs up, different things like that. Also, GridView, I recommend that highly. And then there's one called Tactiqu, which gives you a transcription of the actual meeting, not the notes over on the right, but an actual transcription of the meeting. You can find links to all those tutorials below. If you're here, it's because you're an educator, or at this point now that Google Meet is free for everybody, that you're somebody who just needs to learn how to use Google Meet. I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.